Oh, hi there! I just learned how to ride a bike. Can you ever unlearn how to ride a bike if you already know how to? Probably not. That's the same thing with our immune system. Our immune system usually can't forget how to fight a disease that it has already had before. And it can learn how to fight against new ones, such as Covid-19. The virus binds to a human cell receptor, and then DNA from the virus is injected into our human cells, where the cell translates the DNA into even more protein to produce even more coronaviruses, thousands of it, to infect the body. However, DNA vaccines can prepare us for a possible invasion of the novel coronavirus. Researchers were able to find out the gene that coded for the spike protein, put it into a DNA plasmid so it can reach our body's cells through a DNA vaccine, which essentially hijacks our cells to create more of these coronavirus protein to give our body a preview of an actual virus invasion. So only the DNA for the spike proteins is inserted because it is safe yet potent enough to trigger an immune response. But however, there aren't any approved DNA vaccines yet for human use. After translating the DNA plasmids, the spike proteins will be shown on the MHCs, which is like a little window to the cell to tell if it is infected or not. Our immune system is like a bank, and the DNA plasmid is the robber's plan to break in, whereas the spike proteins created are the robbers themselves. When a cell is infected, the viral spike protein will be displayed on the MHC. Macrophages are a type of white blood cell that come and engulf the spike protein, and in this case are the police officers. Then the helper T cell, which is like the chief officer in this case, receives the spike protein from the macrophage, and then it issues an alert stating that a foreign spike protein is on the loose, and this gets all the cells in the immune system to search for that spike protein. After receiving the alert, the B cells arrive, and they are like the spies which secretly tag the spike proteins with antibodies, which is like a tracker. Antibody lets the killer T cells, which are like the SWAT team, identify the infected cells and tells them to die before it can replicate and spread the infection even more. Memory cells remember the invasion and know how to make the antibodies quicker next time, making the DNA vaccine a viable option. Even though vaccines are one of the most powerful tools we have to protect humanity, unity is the ultimate antibody to any pandemic. And we need it now more than ever. Thanks for watching. Bye!